Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to blur the background of your picture on Snapseed. So first of all you want to open up of course your picture, and now you want to click on the tools and click on the healing option. Now you want to cut out the person where you want not to blur it, like so, something like that. Now you're going to click apply. Now, when you choose that you did the healing, you're going to click on tools again and you're going to click on lens blur. And now you want to make it as small as possible, like so. Now the blur strength should be like 85 maybe. Let's do so. And now the transition should be 0. And again, the net strength should be like 1 or 0. And now I will put this somewhere in the corner. And now we want to click the check mark. Now again, you're going to go to tools and you're going to click on double exposure, and you're going to upload the same photo without the blur on top of it. Now it looks something like that. You're going to click on styles right there in the middle. As you can see, there's a lot of options to choose from, but what you want to click is overlay. And now you want to click on the opacity right here and you want to make it to 100. Now you want to click at the top where it says undo or so, and you want to click view edits. Now there's a double exposure and you want to click on that and on that brush thing. And now you want to click on the second button, this one, which is invert button. And as you can see, you can make it exposure, change the double exposure. And you actually want to erase the person. Start erasing it like so. And now you want to click that invert button again, then click the check mark, and this is how it looks like. This is how you remove the background. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.